Alright guys, just got my lifer red milk here. Unfortunately, he's a little bit in shed, but you can still see the size and the beauty of this snake. We're going 6 days milkless, and the milk that I got previous in the year was just absolutely atrocious. So we're super excited to find this with David and Emma. Found him in a tarp. It was just so excited, and we made the day, made this whole